Good day, YouTube. This is Jay with Following Forward Financial. Just bringing you another video on another company that I've been looking at and watching for a while. A lot of you out there may have heard about it. If you haven't hit the like button yet, go ahead. If not, I'll remind you probably later in the video. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Last week, I believe Tuesday, I was sitting about 20 subscribers. Took a couple days off for the holidays. Turned out a bunch of videos yesterday. Today we got up to 35 subscribers, so I thank you for that. Those of you that subscribed and are watching again, go ahead and pat yourself on the back for me. Means a lot to me. I'm a brand new channel, just trying to grow this and take it to the next level. I love trading, love investing. Been doing it for a couple years now. Just drug my feet on starting a channel, and about 2 Fridays ago, I started it. So we're just getting rolling here. So anyway, if you'd like some free stock, there's a bunch of links that I had listed in the description. Go ahead and help yourself with those. I trade on a couple different platforms. As you can see, I have Robinhood pulled up here. But today we're talking about Ideanomics, ticker IDEX. I'm sure most of you out there have heard, but if you haven't, this is kind of what it's done over the last 3 months. As you can see, I have 26 shares, cost basis of 309. When I got into it, it was kind of at its peak. Right about in here is maybe on the downfall is kind of where I got into it. But since then, it's just kind of went down, and I thought about buying some more, but I just kind of wanted to see what it did. But here today, kind of had a nice little run up again. So it started off high and kind of went down, but there's some news coming out today. So as you can see, I'm a little bit behind, but I'm just going to keep holding it. You don't lose until you sell it. So I see the potential in this company, so I'm thinking it'll come back up. Again, I don't give financial advice, tax advice, or legal advice, just stating my opinion. It's up to you if you'd like to purchase this company. I'm just stating my opinion and showing you that I'm watching it. So Ideanomics is a global company focused on facilitating the adoption of commercial EV and developing next-generation financial services and fintech products. So it's another EV company. It's kind of interesting. They build tractors and a couple other products. So I won't read all that to you. I wanted to keep the video short. If you'd like to go ahead and read that, go ahead and pause. But again, kind of a small market cap. This one's still under $1 billion. It has the potential, if the stock goes up, to increase that. So average volume, it was founded in 2004. You can see where I did some purchasing back here on the 23rd. Tried getting in 50 shares at $2.06. I was probably lowballing it, and so I didn't get in on that one. So got in at 250, 379. That's where it started running up. That was probably kind of a mistake there, but oh well, we fall forward instead of backwards. And then 6 more on the 24th at 290. Again, giving me cost basis, I believe, yes, $3.09. So, like I said, I'm a little bit behind, but maybe this one's got potential to go back up. I believe it will. So, Ideanomics shares are trading higher after the company announced it would purchase 2,000 electric ride-hailing vehicles for use in China. So this is kind of what made it run up today. That's really all the information that I can see on it. I believe this guy is the CEO that kind of started it. Looks like 6 days ago, It ran up again. Looks like they're paying off some debt, which is a good thing. I haven't really looked 100% into the financials. I don't believe they're too profitable yet, but I could be wrong on that. If I'm wrong, you can go ahead and leave me a comment. I was just bringing this one to your attention and just kind of showing what's going on with it. But as you can see here, MEG announces purchase agreement for 2,000 units. And if you'd like to go ahead and do some further research on that, this is Yahoo Finance. Just bringing some different perspectives out there. Different people like different websites, so that's kind of why I use a variety. But here it kind of shows it's overvalued, so still kind of mixed reviews on this one. This one's Motley Fool. Not much on that site. Again, just kind of some of the same information about the 2,000 units. As you can see what it's done over the last year, up over 172%. So back here in right around the pandemic, you see you could have got it for 38 cents. Had a little run up there. I didn't research these run-ups to see what was going on with it there, but it kind of stayed, kind of hit a plateau there, and then it just started running up again. So after this run-up, it stayed a little bit higher and just kind of traded sideways, but I think it's going to keep running up. So if we can get some more run-ups like that, could be up over 200%. So we will just have to wait and see. Here on tip ranks, it shows it's neutral, so maybe it'll eventually get over into the green. We will just have to wait and see. Here's their actual website. Some company milestones. Announces definitive agreement to acquire Timios Holdings. So it looks like they've kind of acquired some other companies. Invests in California-based e-tractor company SolarTrack. That's kind of what sparked my interest, as the tractors. Nobody else out there is making any tractors that I know of. Again, if I'm wrong, go ahead and leave that in the comments. But I'm still interested in this company, still going to be watching it and kind of see what happens with it. This kind of goes into the mobile energy part. Sorry, my internet's running really slow at the moment. Wow, it's going really slow. Here we go. So again, the MEG is the mobile, or mobile, depending where you're from, mobile energy global. Driving commercialization, EV adoption, and as you know, everything out there is turning towards EV. Get rid of emissions, cheaper, don't have to buy gas, not as much maintenance. The global commercialization EV opportunity by 2025. And as you can see, just they're into quite a few different things, like commercial vehicles, medium and heavy commercial vehicles, buses. I think they're just going to try to tap into everything, is what it looks like to me. So charging stations, looks like they're going to be kind of into everything. So that's kind of what sparked my interest again. The website finally came up here. Invest in California-based e-tractor company SolarTrack. I didn't do a whole lot of research on this one. Well, here's a picture. That's actually what I was looking for. So on October 22, 2020, it is pleased to announce it acquired 15% of California-based SolarTrack Incorporated and for the consideration of $1.3 million. SolarTrack develops, assembles, and distributes 100% battery-powered electric tractors and alternative to diesel tractors. So very interesting. For agriculture and utility operations, with this investment in SolarTrack, Ideanomics expands its global footprint in the electric vehicle EV industry, specifically in the category of specialty commercial vehicles. So again, very interesting company. They're just kind of into everything. It's good to see a company in tractors, so cover all the bases. There's lots of EV car companies out there, as you know. I've already made a couple of videos about that. Tesla being one of my favorites, so don't have a whole lot of shares, maybe 5 shares total, and I've had a pretty good return on it, even getting in to that one, what I would consider late. So anyway, this is their website. Feel free to go ahead and pause it. I'm not going to read the rest of that to you. This is a little bit more about Solar Track, or Solectrack. I guess I'm saying it wrong. Solectrack. Interesting. As well as the Ideanomics is another interesting name. So, and who knows what else this company will get into. It's a very interesting. I'm just starting to research it. As I showed you, I got into the shares just about a month or so ago, probably right at the peak, which was probably a mistake. It was just somebody had told me about it, and just it sounded interesting, and I thought it'd keep running up, so I thought I was doing a good job at getting in at that price, and then it just kind of went down, but I think it's on the way back up. So if I purchase any more shares at this time, I honestly don't know. If I find some more research, some more sales, and can see some sales turning positive and getting rid of more debt, possibly will. I would like to see it come up above my cost basis, as I'm always looking at some other stocks, and got into this one and just kind of let it set back and do its thing. Again, you don't lose unless you sell, so but I'll get my money back out of this one. I'm pretty positive about it. So after today, and yeah, we'll see what it does next summer. So with the tractors. So again, if you don't have this one yet, might be one for you to consider. Again, I'm not telling you to buy it, but there's lots of EV companies out there, and I just see a lot of potential with this one. Again, I thank you for hitting the like button. If you haven't, go ahead and kick it, smash it, drop kick it, jump off the top rope if you're a wrestler. Go ahead and hit that subscribe. That would really help out the channel. I'm trying to hit 50 by the new year. I haven't seen what we're up to here tonight. It was 35 earlier today. Again, I'm a new channel, just getting started, and bringing some companies out there to you, and sparking your interest, and see if we can all make some money together. If you have this one, let me know how many shares you have in the comments, what your cost basis is, and what your plans are to do with this company. It's one I'm going to continue to watch. Again, this is Jay, just bringing IDEX to your attention. I hope you have a great day. Happy trading, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Thank you.